Hi, morning.
Halo, morning.
Morning.
Apa khabar semua?
Okay, hope semua sehat. So last week, last weekend Cytron kita ada join beberapa Maker Fest lah. So one of the
Okay, Maker Fest and some of the exhibition.
exhibition.
Yes.
Last weekend is the busiest weekend.
Full of
I
event.
think Hussein went to which one? The
Meranti, Bukit Jalil Meranti
Bukit
Maker
Jalil.
Fest. Meranti Maker
Okay.
Fest.
Then Haria went to one of the school, right?
Wesley, yes, Wesley Methodist School.
In Georgetown. Then I'm busy with the Penang International Science Fair.
Yeah.
International Science Fair this year is Penang lah. Penang International Science Fair is whole week.
Oh,
One whole week.
one whole week.
So that day I went is opening ceremony only. Then they shift different places. There's 6 places in Penang that they maker labs and some of the school. So they shift. This day is this maker lab, and then one of the company that have maker lab is BIGTREETECH. BIGTREETECH is weekday. I cannot remember which day. So that's
So
that's
Everyone are welcome to join the event, the ongoing event.
yeah.
yeah. So you wanna meet us in person, so that's the time to meet us.
Yeah.
Right.
You can find me easily. I always wear cap.
I think we have Mr. Lim. Morning, Mr. Lim.
Morning, Mr. Dave.
Hey, morning.
So we have Chris. Oh, just to share one. I mean, one interesting thing happened during the Meranti Maker Fest. And this one uncle, he is 67 years old.
Wow.
And he's using the EduBit.
EduBit.
He's using the EduBit.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so he's
Oh,
updated. So he's having some trouble. So luckily we were able to help him on the spot. So he bring his board to our place the second day. So we were able to help him. So quite interesting. So he's happy with the product. Then he's asking what else we have product related to the micro:bit, because he's looking for something like robotics related to micro:bit. And he wants
maybe because it's more simple, right? It's not complicated like Arduino.
Yeah.
And we have
It's good.
Nelo Media. Hi Nelo Media.
Hi.
So let's move to the product for today.
Okay.
We already have some question.
First question.
I think we have, right?
Yeah. We have
the HC05, right?
We have I think 2 versions, HC05 and
HC06.
6. Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you're asking our own module, then we don't have it yet.
Oh yeah.
If you're asking our own module, no. Okay. So let's talk about the first product.
Yep.
Okay. So I have the first product.
Okay, let me bring
on my hand. Yeah.
All right.
So this is the CM4 NANO from EdgeLogix. So this is more for industry, because the CM4 is enclosed inside there. It's embedded inside there. Okay. And one special thing, so what I like about it is, of course, enclosure, metal case. Then at the bottom, this is the heatsink. So
okay.
Yeah, it's the heatsink. Then it extend out the gigabit Ethernet port. Use a DC barrier jack instead of USB-C to power. And if you look at DC barrier jack, normally is 12 volt so it can actually 12 volt. Okay, it's a bit blur
It's a bit blur. It's 12 volt.
Yep. Then one nice thing, you can the signal, the wireless signal is extend out to external antenna instead of using the onboard PCB antenna. So this it comes with the external antenna. This is dual band antenna, because CM4 CM4 come with dual band Wi-Fi, right? 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz. Okay, so you get a better kind of wireless performance using this. Okay, Then what else? You have two USB 3 port, one USB 2.0. All this is Type A. This is a bit special. This you can configure one of the, there's a pin inside here, the boot pin. Then this USB can access to the CM4 eMMC. So for those
okay.
that know is CM4, you need to download if you want to access to the eMMC, because it will boot from eMMC if the version that have eMMC. And for this model, it comes with CM4 that have eMMC, and luckily, the Raspberry Pi OS is being loaded inside, so you can actually just power up. Okay. So beside the USB-C, you have the micro SD card slot. So you might ask, hey, how come CM4 with eMMC can
Have
use the
the
micro SD card? Actually can for this model. So the micro SD card can use to expand the storage. Okay, can use to
okay.
expand the storage. So the booting is still coming from the eMMC, but if it's like you add in a USB stick lah, okay, it's like you add in a USB stick. Okay. Then what else? So that there is two indicator, power and auto activity status. Then the other side is the Ethernet and just now the DC barrel jack. Then the top, they actually extend out the 40 pin GPIO and the PoE pin. So in other
Copy,
words, you can stack the PoE head to get the PoE power. Okay, to power this. Okay. Then the top you have the DSI and also the DSI is over here, and those CSI opening. Inside there, there's a PCB in the product page that show. This is more to industry. So for industry, you want to use and you want to use it, you can use it because it's ready with all the certification. Okay. Then another thing is because it's fanless, you don't need any fan. So the maintenance is maintenance free. Maintenance free. So you don't worry about the one day the fan broke because of wear and tear. Even anyhow one day it will break because
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
moving part. Yeah,
Moving
right.
part, correct.
So even if our car we need to change, engine one day will break also.
Correct.
Tire we need to change the tire
Sure.
also. So same for the fan, but this is fanless. It use the back aluminum plate whole plate as a passive cooling.
Passive cooling. Yeah.
Question.
Yep. Okay. So let's look at the
Yeah.
product page. Yep.
Yeah.
So here,
Sorry.
yeah. So this is the PCB inside here. Okay. Underneath here. So if you look at the orientation, let me put the orientation here. So you see
Okay.
this is the Ethernet. Okay. This is the DC barrel jack.
This is
So here is the USB. Okay. So that you can look at the orientation steady. Okay. There's
So the
RTC.
size is similar to Raspberry Pi board, right? Quite
It's similar.
Similar.
So
yeah.
the size is actually similar, very similar.
Mm-hmm.
It's slightly bigger only. The enclosure. So I have I have a Pi 4 here. So if we put, let me see the orientation. Maybe I put here. So it's slightly bigger only. Slightly bigger. So it's very compact so it comes with RTC, but the battery is not pre-installed, so you might need to open up if you want to have the RTC. We do include a free coin cell battery for that RTC. Okay. And this model come with the 2 GB RAM and 8 GB eMMC CM4 embedded inside there. Okay, you don't need to get another CM4 to do that. Okay, it's inside there. Then the Raspberry Pi OS is preloaded to the 8 GB eMMC already. Okay, you can just power up. You connect to a HDMI port. There's a full-size HDMI port. I forgot to mention it. Okay, full-size HDMI port, and you can use it like a normal Raspberry Pi. Okay. So you might ask, what's the application? There is application. I have a friend that used CM4 as hotspot.
Oh,
For
okay.
yeah. They
Okay.
use this kind of things. So they just put there. Don't worry about the heat because the heat dissipation is good. So just put there. Then everything can access from the network. Yep.
Okay.
Right. So okay.
So we have stopped
Yes, stock. This one has stock.
because
So
some
we
of the
have.
product we don't have stock already.
So this one, like Ober mentioned, is the 2 GB RAM with 8 GB eMMC with RTC battery. So the battery is included but not installed. So you need
Yep.
to install by yourself.
Same goes to the antenna. Antenna is separate, but it's included.
It's
Just need
included.
to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we have 5 in stock. So for this, if we have a discount, we have 15% discount for this product. So the actual
Yep.
price is 720 ringgit. Currently, you can with the offer, you can buy this for 612 ringgit. You have 13 days more and left, 13 days left and 5 more in stock. So if you're into IoT and you want to try to explore this product, so you can try to grab this while the offer and the stock last. Right. So before we move to the next product, we have Roy Chi Peng. The smiley face. Right, let's move to the next product for today. Right, this is related to CM4 as well, this product. And this is also a industrial
Yeah.
related product as well. I think the product
Yeah.
is with Ober, right?
Yeah. This is more. Just now it's industry, but this is more industry.
No industry.
More industry.
More
So
industry.
the similar thing is also a metal case. Then it come at the back. There is a very thick. What this is called aluminium plate. So this plate become the heat sink for the CM4. So actually the CM4 inside there is facing the bottom of this plate. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's definitely a PCB. So the CM4 is actually insert underneath the PCB facing the heat sink. Okay, just to get idea, just to give you an idea. What is special about this is come with a lot of the industry interface. For example, there's 4RS485 terminal over here, one RS232. Yeah, then another one is let me see, CAN bus.
Okay.
CAN is controller area network lah. Is widely being used on the automotive.
Yeah.
It's widely being used in automotive because automotive there's a lot of noise when engine move alternator, all those things, the voltage is very noisy
Amazing.
noise environment. So CAN is very good in those environment, and CAN is being used on a lot of production line now. Okay. So beside CAN, there's just now I mentioned there's 4RS485 port here. Okay. So this is the different between the nano. So this is what we call sensing. Then at the back you will have the Ethernet port. Ethernet port. Then the USB 2.0, two of it. Then the full size HDMI. And then here you have the opening for micro SD card. So again, similar. You can expand the storage using micro SD card. And another slot is actually micro SIM. So of course, this one doesn't include a 4G module. This one come with one external antenna only. This one is for the wireless on the CM4. But actually, there's hole for it. You can actually add on 4G module to the PCB to get the 4G functionality. And you can also mount another external antenna for the 4G. Okay, but this model doesn't come with 4G module. That's all. Okay? It's an additional add-on. Yeah.
Additional. Okay.
And this one come with DIN rail ready. DIN rail mounting.
Oh, okay. I was about to ask this now. Okay.
Industry will likely to use DIN rail. DIN rail is those, I think in our house, if you have switchboard, I think
Inside this one plate. Right?
So those that we mount the what they call
The
NCB.
breaker, IMCB.
breaker, circuit breaker.
Okay.
So at the back there's one mounting area. So
Mhm.
that is DIN rail. Okay. A lot of industry use DIN rail to mount their equipment also. Okay. So this is
Easier
DIN
lah. I
rail.
mean in the panel also usually it's a DIN ray, right? So they
Yeah,
just
yes.
like slot in
Yes. It's a standard lah. It's a standard.
standard.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
Let's look at
This one also come with the antenna, right? The external antenna. Right?
Yeah, it come with antenna, and also we also give free coin cell battery. Again, because of actually coin cell battery should be pre-installed. Just there's two reasons. You don't use it right, so if we install, it might consume power. Another thing is because of Korea. Korea don't ship anything with
Battery.
battery
Battery,
across country now. Okay, across country, so they don't ship. That's why we need to take it out. Then we give you the battery as a separate one. You need to install it. Okay.
Right.
Wow, there's a lot more people coming in already. Hi everyone.
Then just want to say Muhammad Adli.
Adli, yeah.
Adli. And then another red boy.
Oh, seems hard. Which one is hard? Yeah, this is
What
hard.
is even? The
This
case is
metal case. This is industrial grade. Okay, it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. Okay, very solid.
Must learn more. He mentioned.
Yeah, definitely must learn more.
So it's new product. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Learn more. Let me bring the product page.
Yes. Yeah. So this is the PCB. So this is the PCB. If you notice, there's a 4G module on top of it. Where you have
okay.
Yeah. So this particular model doesn't include that, but the PCB have the slot for you to add on the 4G module. Okay?
So it's optional. I mean, if you want, you can just
It's
buy
optional.
So these are the details of the product. So as usual, you can always come to the product page to know more about the details of the product, the dimension and everything. And
dimension, how to get started, how to add module if you like. Under resources, there is a guide also.
Here.
Yeah.
So you already share what are the useful site that you will require to get started. So
Just go to resources.
So the price for this product is the normal price is 802 ringgit and 50 cents, and currently we have 50% off for this product as well. So you can grab this for 682 ringgit and 13 cents. So we have 5 in stock and 13 more days before the offer ends and while the stock lasts. So try to grab this. So if you're planning to install it because this one is come with a good case. So if you are planning to install it in a harsh environment and everything, this will be
correct.
a good option.
Yep.
You can grab this while the stock and the price offer lasts. Right, so that's about the second product for today. Now let's move to the third product for today. Okay, this will be Khairil will share with us all the details of the product.
Okay. So I'll share.
Okay, I'll bring Kairil's screen.
So let's do unboxing for this power supply. So this is the box. So this is DC power supply. So the box quite big. But actually the power supply is very compact. So come with the protection.
Wow, very nice packaging.
Yes.
Yeah, the form,
Heavy ya, Khairil? Berat, heavy ya?
No. I think 1.5 kilogram.
Okay.
Around that.
Yes. So this is the component in this box. So this is the power supply, black color one. So this is the DC jack, and need to highlight that the DC jack is AU plug. So you need to use if
IC
you
plug.
if you use in Malaysia, you need to use the universal adapter to use with the AU plug.
UK
And this
adapter
is
lah.
UK adapter.
UK adapter. And this is the crocodile clip.
To the cable lock lah.
Ah,
To install at the terminal lah.
yeah. And this is the instruction manual. So let me open this.
Benchtop small power supply. It's quite useful.
So
How many what's the maximum current? 3 or 5?
This one is six
Oh,
ampere.
6 amp. Oh, very good.
Quite good.
And 30 volt. Yeah, I
It's,
think
it's very good enough. Good enough.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
enough.
The current is quite high because usually I own a last one, like quite old one. The one is max is 3 ampere only.
Yeah, that's why I just now ask. It's 3 or 5.
you can see here. It's stated that it's 6 ampere. So of course the design is very compact. Yeah, I can hold in one hand. Very, it's not heavy. Yeah. So for the tuning volt and ampere, it comes with two, what we call this knob.
Cost one is
adjuster.
the fine tuning. Fine.
Fine tuning. This is
Fine tune.
fine
Yes,
tuning.
yes.
This is cost tuning.
Yep,
So this
Oh.
two is for voltage, and this two is for current. So this is
So usually fine is like it goes by point something, right?
Yeah,
Tune it, it will move by point. Like cost is like it goes very jump to another value quite fast.
So you can get a better accurate value. So this is the push on, push off button. So this is the terminal.
Terminal for the voltage.
And this is
Power.
the screen. So the screen also for me it's very compact because it show a three row display, which is for the volt, ampere, and
Watt. The power.
Watt. Yes, watt.
The power. Yep.
And it also has LED indicator for constant voltage and constant current.
Yep.
Yeah. So it depends on which one you are using. So at the back, this is the fan. This temperature control fan.
For temperature.
So this is the power supply. And this is the input voltage.
By default is make sure it's not switched to 115 or 110.
Yeah.
This one we need to always remind.
So this is 230 volt. If you switch, it become 115 volt.
Don't switch to 115, okay?
Yeah,
so this is the input voltage. It's not that you switch then the output voltage become 115. So need to make sure it's 230.
Yes.
So I think power supply is useful when like if you're doing a project for long hours, like you need some testing.
Yeah.
Then definitely a bench power supply will be very useful.
We always use it lah. A few of engineer over here, for example, we do.
In production also we use this power supply.
Production also we use when we design the product with wide voltage range. So one example is the Recabit. EduBit, no, I think Recabit, yes. Then the microB RP2040. Because the input voltage range is big, so we need to test it. We need to make sure. Okay, let's say if the input said it's 3 volt, then we need to try 3 volt. Let's say the higher input is 7 volt. You need to try 7 volt and make sure it works also. So this is very handy lah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's also suitable for student, right? Because this is like a cheaper version, the small one.
Yeah. You know, last time, although it's one channel, it's quite bulky also. I think it's
Yeah,
two
bulky,
size,
bulky.
right? The
Yeah,
double of
bulky.
this, the width, double of this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay,
We
good.
have
Okay.
some comments here. Lash Quo. DC power supply
I
needs
don't think
serial.
so. Yeah, I don't think so. This one, I don't think so. Yeah.
So Iris
It,
Zhang.
So I
I shall high.
Zhang.
Okay,
Hi.
high.
Right. So let's look at the product page for this one. Right.
so you can see the image is the display.
Ah, nice. The digit is very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
The 7 segment.
Mm.
Nice.
Right.
Well, this picture is very nice.
That's clear. Okay, like if you need the adapter, so we included here lah. So I mean, in case if you are buying, then you
Mm-hmm.
can just grab the together with the
Yeah.
adapter
Okay,
as well.
adapter.
Of course, you can use also UK power cord. You know,
Yeah.
you have extra.
Yeah. We
And
also
power
selling
cord.
that one, the UK poker.
Yeah.
Right. So for more detail of the product, you can always come to the product page here to know more about details. And the price, the actual price is 295 ringgit, which is quite good also. But then we have, on top of that, currently we are having 20% off for this product. So you can grab this for
Nice.
236 ringgit. And we have 2 in stock and 12 more days before the offer ends. So you can try to grab this. Because this quite a reasonable price for workbench power supply. Because usually, if I'm not mistaken, the range start from 400 and above for different brands.
Yes.
With the offer, then this is a good time to purchase this, the benchtop power supply. Right, so let's move to the next product for today, which is this is still a industrial product.
Yep.
So
Another industrial
this is
Raspberry Pi product.
CM4 is a EdgeLogix RPi 1000 industrial controller Wi-Fi. CM4.
This is similar with just now one. Just now the nano, and also the sensing. But this is higher grade.
Oh, higher grade.
Looks.
But
I mean, the
this
finishing
is
also looks.
definitely. It comes with touchscreen. No, not touchscreen. Screen.
Screen.
Not touchscreen. Screen. So you have a button there to navigate the menu. Come pre-installed with the specific OS to operate. Then at the side you have a lot of industry interface also.
Yeah,
And a lot
I
of
can
interface.
see it has 4
Yeah.
antenna instead of
Yeah.
one.
Then there is three gigabit Ethernet port.
Oh.
Normally you have one only, but this one is three 2 gigabit Ethernet port. So this is another level. Of course, it's industry, but it's another level.
Like you're having usually we have the PLC without the screen, but then this one like everything inside, and you can have to view the process. Like in the screen, it's showing the whole process thing. I mean, usually in the DCS, we will have a different like HMI, right? You need to see in the HMI the process thing, but this one like on the device itself, you can view the process and you can get the value and everything.
Yeah, and it's actually powered by Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 Okay. With the ecosystem is very stable, maybe matured now. So if you don't want to use Raspberry Pi OS or whatever OS is being installed, you can use your own. You can refresh it, the image. And if you look at the connection, it's quite easy. The terminal. So it's actually a very, very industry great kind of controller. Yeah.
Let's see the.
So that I think there's 2 options in this page. Okay. The RAM different. The difference is actually the RAM only. Yep.
One is 2 GB, another one is the 8 GB
8
RAM.
GB, yeah. eMMC is 32 GB. I think 32 GB is more than enough for industry lah. So if you know not enough storage, then you can expand using the USB stick or USB drive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see for more details. Yep.
A lot of technical terms over there,
Oh,
and
yeah.
you know the certification is ready. ROS is ready. CE, FCC,
Yeah,
Telit.
here. Oh, yeah. Tell it.
Yeah,
Oh,
Telit.
okay.
Telit is Japan one. Japan.
Oh, tell it. Oh,
UKC. Yeah, UKCA is the new UK lah, because they exit the Euro already.
Europe.
So
Oh, okay.
they cannot use CE anymore. They come up with
Oh, okay.
another certification, UKCA.
UKCC.
Yeah, UKCA.
These are the details. Okay, so no, not much. So basically, this is the product lah. So we don't have it to show it to you. So
Yeah,
we
it's
can always
coming
come
soon.
later. Coming soon. So, but this one really like, I mean, like if you wanna have your own like controller or something, this will be a good option lah.
Yeah,
I mean, if you're doing a controller box or
Very
something,
powerful.
yeah.
very powerful.
So
So because there's no stock, so no point we discuss about the price, right?
price, yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe later once we have the product ready, then we will discuss a bit more
Yeah.
in detail lah.
Yeah.
So let's move to the next product. This is from the same manufacturer,
Yeah, C Studio.
Seed Studio.
This is slightly lower spec compared to the EdgeLogix. They call it
This one looks like the one
EdgeBox.
Nano, right? Over like just now
Yeah,
you
yeah,
showed.
something like Nano or the Sensing.
Sensing. Yep.
Sensing. Nano doesn't have the industrial port. This one similar to Sensing, I think. Yeah.
So let's look at some of the picture of this product. I think this sound comes with the bottom plate also, right?
Yeah.
The
Bottom
same.
plate as
Yeah.
Sing as a
Lead
Sing.
Sing.
And then the other side they use it for the DIN rail mounting.
Okay, I mean, this side, this one.
Okay.
Let's see how this one also coming soon. So we have two variation also for this. So one is this one quite different because one is
Quite
the
different. Yep.
2 GB RAM with 8 GB eMMC. So the other one is 4 GB RAM with 16 GB eMMC. And let's see. This is the DIN rail mount. So it's like ready for DIN rail mount. And what else? I think these are mostly in the industrial, like overseas. This one can be strapped out, like can be taken out also, right? Over. I mean, to do the wiring, right? Yeah. Then you can just like plug it in back.
Yeah.
So it's quite
And it's
convenient.
not using screw, right? I think it's not using screw. Just pull the
terminal.
Connector.
Terminal is actually
terminal.
press or release. You press, then the opening open, then the hole will open. Then you put in the wire, then you release I think that one of the, I don't know what they call, tick, something like that. Okay. Then it will lock the cable.
Okay, so this comes with the antenna port also lah. So you have an antenna, then this is the DIN rail mount. And let's see the function. We have the description of the function. Right. So that's about the.
Yep.
So this one also comes with the RS1, RS485, and RS232 communication. Then you have the Ethernet port, and the HDMI port as well. Is it the full HDMI port and two USB port? Size. Yep. So okay, we'll talk later. Once we have the product ready with us, then we'll talk more about this. And now let's move to the next product for today. So this is the XIAO family. This one, previously we brought in the XIAO RP2040.
Yeah.
So now it is the ESP32C3. This is the newest C3. C3.
So this one actually is a request from customer to bring this one in Cytron. So it's already out of stock because yeah, so many people buy already.
So
Popular. Okay.
popular. Yep.
Once
So I think
restock, you guys need to grab it. Can
so,
click notify me lah.
I mean,
Right? Click
yeah,
notify
down
me.
here there's a notify me button. So
Hmm.
you can click the notify me button. So the product is with me. Let me share the screen with you. Okay. Wait.
Oh,
So
Hussein
this is
took the last one.
the sign. Okay, let me zoom a bit so that's visible. Okay. So
Okay.
now you can see this is the Cytron XIAO ESP32C3. They follow the previous one, the
Same
size, the
factor.
dimension, the XIAO factor, like you can say the XIAO factor. Everything is the same. Only is that this one is for ESP32C3 lah. And we recommend to buy it with the expansion board lah, so that easier. So here I just tried to control it with the Blink app lah. So it's quite fast lah. No need to no need to what? No need to troubleshoot anything because it's
Uh,
pretty much
Very
straightforward.
easy, yeah.
Very easy. And let me bring the Blink window so that I can share. So this is the Blink window. So I'm just like controlling it to turn on and off the LED. Let me get back.
Oh,
And
which LED, Hussein?
so I'm using the
Very
blue color
bright.
area,
Okay,
the
okay,
back,
okay.
because the one is quite easy like using the expansion board. You can just plug
Ah,
into the.
Yeah, yeah.
So this one I'm just controlling it with the Blink, so it's
yeah.
quite easy lah to control it. I mean with the expansion board you can easily control it. So that's about the XIAO board. Actually, I mean this one is quite convenient. I mean if you want to apply it in a small area with the
Yes.
ESP and Wi-Fi, then and you don't require a lot of pin, then it will be easier lah. And even if you need a lot of pin, you can still use the Cytron XIAO expansion board as well. I mean this one get the pin expanded so that you can have more easier access. So this one support the Wi-Fi and as well as the Bluetooth wireless connectivity.
Yes.
So just now what I showed is using the Wi-Fi lah, basically. The Wi-Fi, and this one comes with the antenna. I think let me share with you the screen so that you can have a. Oops, I think I close the camera already. So this one comes with this one also,
External
so you
antenna.
can the external antenna. Yep. So you can, if you want, you can just plug it here. There's a port here, as you can see here, the port. So you can just plug it here, right? So other than that, you can always come to the, okay, this is a simple explanation. There's a using the Type-C interface, and you have the charge LED and using the ESP32C3, and you have the antenna connector, the boot button, and the reset button.
Yes.
And at the bottom, this is for the battery connector. If you want to connect it to the battery, I mean, don't want to use through the cable, then you can always solder it here, directly here. Yep. And these are some of the application using for the private garage using the ESP32C, the XIAO ESP32C3.
Yeah,
And
the application is from the seed studio itself because they recommend to use their product. Because like this one, they use the ASP32C3 cell with the groove button,
okay.
groove relay. So they use their product for this application.
So if you want to make one, you can come and check the product page and see what are the
Yeah, but we
product included.
also selling the product, the groove
The
button,
groove
groove relay. We also
relay.
have
Yep.
this one.
Okay. So that's about the XIAO. So since it is out of stock, so you can always click the notify me button so that you'll be notified the next time we restock it. So price, the actual price for this product is 29 ringgit and 80 cents, and currently we are having 20% off. So hope that this offer will last and we can stock it before the offer ends, basically.
But actually, if it's even without discount, is considered quite cheap. 29, you know.
Yeah, 29, yep. Still, for
39 is very
ESP, 32 is cheap.
Yes, very cheap.
And need to highlight also the cell does not come with the header anymore. So you need to buy separately.
Separately. Yeah.
Yeah,
You buy
that's
separately.
one of the reason why it's cheap lah. Yeah.
But you already put it here, so you can just like, if you want to buy the ESP32, you can just click this to add to your cart so that you can purchase it together. And that's about the XIAO. But before that, before we move to the next product, we have some comments here. So Jackie Chai say I'm ready. So I think he's ready for the giveaway. And Muhammad Faris Iqmal for the product. Yeah, this is a great product now. I'm not sure if I think for this one or the previous one, but I think both products are great. And we have a comment from Brother Idris. Habis dah jauh.
Lambat.
Right, so let's move to the next product for today. So this is quite interesting. I think Hairil has the product.
I have the product with me. So let's
see.
do the next unboxing.
Yeah.
So this is the box from BIGTREETECH. So the box is very nice. Look, premium.
Premium.
Yeah, hitam itu premium.
Betul.
So this product is Octopus Pro. So
I think when we say Octopus, then it is we can straightly use it with the Octoprint, right?
Octoprint, Octopi.
Octopi.
So if you guys wondering what is this? This is the 3D printer motherboard.
Quite big.
So
Quite big.
Yeah, quite big. So this is all. It has 8 motor driver.
Stepper motor driver. Wow.
But this board does not come with the stepper driver.
Yeah.
You need to buy it separately. Actually it got a lot of port. I can't remember all, but what I can remember. So this is the fan. It support 2 normal fan and 4 CNC fan. If I'm not mistaken. So this is using Type C. This is the TF slot SD card. Yeah, this is USB. This is gigabit Ethernet.
Wow, very powerful.
And yeah,
I seldom see a 3D printer controller can connect to Ethernet.
Yeah, this is the first.
Right, correct. Hussein.
Correct. Usually it doesn't have the Ethernet, just the USB port. But the one USB so they have Type C and everything.
And this one is for the Wi-Fi port. If you see the female header, you can use. It support ESP8266. Yeah, for this port, you can see here these 2 port. And the most important part is the chip. Is ARM Cortex-4, STM32F. Yeah. So long the chip name. So the chip also quite big from STM. And yeah, he got a lot of other chip, protection chip, or I cannot remember all. And this is buzzer. So the buzzer is it's come with the Octopus Pro. For the Octopus, the previous version does not come with the buzzer. The buzzer, the function is to as alarm if it detect the short circuit 5 volt. If it detect short circuit, then it will turn on LED and sound an alarm to alert the user. So at the back it has the Octopus Pro logo, and each pin it's also labeled at the back. You can see here D1, DIAG7, or everything is labeled at the back.
So it's clear. I mean, you know what are
Yeah,
the each
This is
pins
very
is for.
powerful controller.
Yeah.
yeah. So at the
If you're
bottom,
upgrading to some printer, then you need to consider the size also, right? Because this one is quite big.
Yeah, quite big.
quite big.
Quite big.
So I think that's all lah. And it's come with the header jumper. We call header jumper this one.
Oh, okay. The fuse also, I saw a fuse.
Fuse.
The yellow color one.
Spare
Yeah,
fuse.
yellow color.
Yep.
And this is USB-C cable. This is BIGTREETECH card. And I don't know why they include this one.
No, they are trade product, I think. Whenever you buy the BIGTREETECH product, you'll get the duck.
Oh, okay.
It usually comes together.
So this squishy duck. If you press it, will make sound. I can hear.
This one
Very
is good
cute.
when we go to bath.
Yeah. Can give to your kid.
Okay.
So I think that's all. For more information, for all the other port, you can refer to the product page.
Right. So let's look at the product page. So like this one seems very powerful. I mean, if you want to upgrade to your existing printer, so I think first thing you need to consider the size of the casing. Or unless you can come up with, you want to place it outside, then you can still go ahead. I mean, you have to just to find any or print a 3D print case or something, then it should be okay.
Wow.
But as you can see in the product page, it's very powerful. I mean, you have a lot of ports. This one like
8 axis.
8 axis.
60
If you're building your own 3D printer, also that will be a good option.
3D printer, CNC machine.
CNC machine. Yep. Because the heart of the board itself is so powerful. You're using the Cortex M4, right? This now.
Yep.
Then you have the UART mode, the SPI mode. Yeah, you have a lot of
This
functions.
advanced mode for the stepper driver.
So if you want to try to explore this board, then this will be a good time to buy, since we have a great offer for this. Because the actual price is 235 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product. So you can grab this for 188 ringgit. So we have 12 more hours before the offer ends, and we have 10 more in stock. So try to grab this. If you're into 3D printing and want to explore, or you want to explore an advanced version of a 3D printer controller board, so this will be a good time to grab this product. Right, so okay, we have some comment macam ada orang borong je XIAO C3 tu sebab selalu refresh sekali refresh out of stock dah. Maybe
maybe because it's very cheap.
Very cheap, yeah. And also I just to end just now I was trying to configure it with the blink, also very easy lah. I mean, rather than using other board,
this one also very good.
Response very good, very fast. I mean, like you just power it up, it just connects very fast. Unlike the ESP8266, it will take a bit some time, right? But this one very fast.
The C3 is better version, upgrade version from the ESP8266.
Right. So that's about the.
So next time need to be fast. The lesson learned is when you see it, you better grab it.
Grab it.
Don't refresh.
Yeah, don't refresh. That's the thing. That happens a lot for people during the last time.
Not only this product, a lot of product.
A lot product, yeah. When you refresh, it's gone. I think Roy Chipeng, I think he's waiting for the giveaway. Just 2 more products, then we are good to go. Right, so let's move to the next product. Right, this is the USB micro female to USB micro male cable switch. So this one is with me. So let me bring the camera here. Right, so this is the product, actual product. So you can see this is the male type here. One side is the male type, and the other end is the female type. And then actually this one comes with the switch. Okay. All right. So basically, like if you want to leave your like your Arduino or your board connected to the USB and you don't want to power it up, so like here I have the RP2040 microB. So if you just want to plug it here, one side here, and then the other end, you just plug it here. Wait, let me zoom a bit. Right. So the other end, you just plug it here. Right, just a bit tight. Okay. Okay. So now it's not on. So if I press it, then it will be on.
Oh, easy lah.
Easy. You don't need to
Yes.
unplug and plug the cable.
Mm-hmm.
You just like press this button to on and then press again to off. So this is quite convenient because sometimes we don't want to, I mean, if you keep on plug and unplug, you might damage the port. So with this, you can just like turn on and off the board. It's quite convenient. I mean, if you want to just leave it, you're doing some testing for long period of time. You don't want to plug and unplug, so you can just install it in this way.
Yep,
So it's quite easy. Right,
there's no hacking needed, right? So your cable,
no hacking.
your cable still remain there, but
Then,
it doesn't have the data. Just remember that, right? It doesn't have the data.
Oh, okay.
You remember? I don't think it had the data. The disconnection is for the power only.
Power.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, this is for the power, to remove the power. Just for the power, controlling the power.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, definitely, like it effectively reduces the wear and tear of the Raspberry Pi power port. So if you're using it, I mean, like for Raspberry Pi, sometimes you want to unplug the cable, right? So this one will be a great option to use it with the Raspberry Pi. Right. And the actual price for this product is RM5, and currently we have 20% off for this product as well. So you can grab this for RM4. We have 6 more days before the offer ends, and we have 19 more in stock before the stock before the stock went out, basically. Right. So that's about the USB micro. Then okay, this is the last product for today. So
you can go to prize giving.
so USB
Giveaway.
3 ampere with power cable. It's a 1.5 meter cable. So this one we're not going to demo it. I just want to show it here. So this is the cable. So one end is the USB Type C, as you can see here.
Type C, yep.
And the other end is Type C, as you can see here. The other end is the open type, just a wire. So if you want to power it up, if you want to power your device from an external power source, so you have the option that you just plug in this to the power source, the positive and the negative, and you can just use the USB-C type to power your device. So this one quite useful. Just say if you have a DC jack, the one comes with the connector, right? So you can hook the power to that source, the DC jack end, and you can convert it to the USB-C type here. So this one quite convenient if you are using in a converter, basically. Like if you just say if you want to power your Raspberry Pi 4 without the actual power adapter, then you can easily use this wire to power your device. And let me go to the product page. Right, so this one is a 1.5 meter cable, basically. And here, right, let me show you. Okay. So the actual price for this product is RM9, and currently we have 20% off for this product as well. And you can grab this for RM7.20. We have 8 more days before the offer ends, and 36 more in stock. Okay, let me show you the DC jack just to share with you. I mean, if you are planning to use it, right? This is what I meant. So you have a DC jack, so you can connect the DC jack to here. So the other side, you can just connect the USB
Wire.
Type C cable, the wire just now. So it's quite
Yeah.
convenient.
Just make sure the voltage is correct.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Don't simply put any voltage and looking
Yeah.
at the USB-C lah. USB-C, okay, should be compatible. Wow.
Just meletup.
There is cases already.
Yeah. Okay, so we have some. Is this the last NPI of the year?
I don't think so.
We have one more. I think on the
We have one more.
29th. 29th, we have the last one.
No, 29.
22.
22nd.
22.
22nd.
Sorry, 22nd. Sorry, 22nd.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
22nd. 22nd is the last one. So we still have one more before the end of year. And we have one more question before we go to the giveaway. There's chip in this cable to allow drawing 3
No.
ampere from. No. It's just a passive cable, right? Just a normal
Yes.
cable.
This is a passive cable changed to USB Type C
Type C.
connection.
Just a
That's all.
converter.
You
Doesn't
have to
have
make
any.
sure. You have to make sure the voltage is correct. You have to make sure the polarity is correct.
Yep.
Don't simply put then connect.
Yep.
And it's not the QC. QC is what? Quick charge or PD. Power delivery. No. There's just purely two wires connect to the power of the USB-C.
USB-C. Right. So okay. So I think we already talked about the price. So it's 9 ringgit and we have 20% off. So you can grab this for 7 ringgit and 20 cents. Right. So with this we have come to an end to our NPI and it's time for the giveaway. So I think Hairil will do the honor in spinning the wheel.
What's the gift? What's the price for this week?
Today, this week we are giving the. I think we can just show it here.
What's the rules again? Need to ping us, right?
The make racks. The question is regarding
nice.
the make racks giveaway.
Oh, this is nice to build.
Yeah, I mean, still the holiday also coming, so it'll be a good kit for the.
Yep.
Yes. So
for makers.
So this is the price. I have the price with me.
Okay.
Can see, right?
Let me bring it. Yeah, we can see. A bit blur, but it's okay. The make racks.
So this is
focus.
It's okay. So this is electronic set. We have 6 types. One of the microX wooden electronic. Lagging.
Yeah, a bit lagging, but your voice
a bit lagging.
A
bit lagging.
Oh, lagging.
Just to share on the racks.
Yeah. We can use the product page to share lah. No worry. Which model we are giving?
I think Hairil haven't announced it yet. So this one just to share. This one each kit comes with 3. Okay, we have 6 different type. So one is for the robotics. This is for the mechanical, renewable energy, solar power, vehicle, and lastly is the electronic. So if I'm not mistaken, each set comes with 3 different kits to be built. Yeah. So let's see which one you will get. Okay. So let me bring down. Right.
Still lagging.
Okay.
Yeah, still lagging.
Yeah, still lagging.
Still lagging. What? EM to blame, Unify to be blamed.
Hello, check my internet dia.
Yeah. To be fair, we are using Unify. We are not using time. There's no time over here. And we are using the fastest already. The business package. Business package is for Unify. The maximum is 800 megabits.
800.
Yeah, 800. It's not 1 giga. 800 mega. So can you? We need to wait for Javier to spin.
Because the list with Javier. So if we can, if he can pass me the list, then I will do the
spinning.
Spinning.
Yeah.
Wait. Now still lagging.
Still lagging.
Still lagging.
Still lagging. The audio improve.
Audio improve.
But the video cannot see anything.
Yeah. Rishi Peng asked. Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, we are waiting for Javier to get back stably.
I think Javier share the link. Let me see.
Yeah, Javier share the link. So
see.
So Hussein can spin, right?
Yeah, but this one need to log in. So
it's okay.
Let me check again if I can. I think the one I didn't need to make public. The one is in private.
The motor sound. Not the wheel, the motor. The motorbike.
Hari try main public boleh hari? Tak kan? Yeah, I think we have not yet spin it, so just give us a few more minutes. Just
few moment. Yeah, we are trying to set up for Hussein to print. Public.
Dia jadi private resource. Yep.
Yeah,
technical issue.
Yeah. The internet. Weird because I'm together with Javier at the same office.
But still.
Yeah, I have no problem, but Javier having problem, so I'm not sure what's the problem. We cannot blame Unify also because I'm also using Unify. So I have no problem. Javier have. Javier, I think he's setting to public for Hussein. Let's check and see.
Sorry, home tech.
No time.
Sorry.
Because
I think because we already post the question, so that's why we need to. I mean, to be fair, I think we try to do the spinning.
Yeah. Let everyone see the spinning, right?
Yep.
Okay, Javier is back.
Now okay. Lagi.
Okay. Better.
So share your screen.
Okay, wait. Sorry guys, wait.
So just now, Harrier go and talk to Unify already. What happened? We don't know what happened. You know, this is like
first time, not
mystery. No, network is always like mystery. You know, this is where the mystery come from.
Okay, can see or not?
Still
not
loading. Still
loading.
loading.
Still loading. Okay.
Yeah. Still turning. It's like the Windows loading.
Yeah, Windows loading here.
Still cannot see.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Random
Okay,
view.
then I
Okay.
just start.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay. I think
Okay.
the lagging is still there, but let's wait for the
It's
final.
Final result. Right, but the 2 years of MCO already used to the internet issue. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it stop already, Hadir?
yeah. The winner
What's the name?
is
ANS Alpha IG.
Anis Shahida from Instagram.
Shaida,
You
are
need
you
to ping
here?
us, right?
Yeah, they need to ring us.
Within what?
Ans Shahida.
We,
Okay, like,
within
with
what? Within 30 seconds?
you like me last time me and Hari do 15 seconds. But it's okay
15
because since
seconds.
the lagging, then we can give
Yeah.
a bit longer lah. And Shaida, are you watching us? So if you're watching us, just comment. Oh,
Really?
his wife.
Betul ke? Jangan tipu. Kena tunjuk proof. No, it's okay. We'll take that as a yes.
Yes.
Then anyhow, you need to show proof later on.
I think Cypherco wants to increase the number of participants. So maybe all the
Yeah.
family members.
All the family members. Two, right? Another one, right?
Another one.
Yeah.
So congrats to Cypherco wives, which is Ans Shahida.
Yeah,
another
so
one.
please contact our Genie, right?
Genie,
Yeah,
and
then
give your
do-
details.
give your detail, then do show proof lah. Anyone can say, anyone can say anything, right?
Yeah. Right. So
Next.
one more. Next. Say one more to go.
No, there's a lot of participants this round.
Yeah. So it's good. I mean, thanks to the participant and for the support.
Huh?
Lag lagi.
What happened? Lagi. Harriet, can you continue the other one?
Oh, okay. But how?
Yeah, Mr. Lim.
Good to see you guys. Yeah, thank you,
Thanks for
Mr. Lim.
joining us. Harriet, spin another one, Harriet, just in case.
I mean, if just show if you are not.
We cannot see anything here.
Yeah.
Lagging again. Not this now is not lagging. I can still see something happening. This
It's
is
not
we cannot see anything.
the freeze already.
Freeze already.
Maybe Heidi will try to
Log in again.
log in again. So you're welcome, Saiful. Yeah, I think Saiful
Do contact our Genie. Yep.
While waiting for Hairil just to thanks all the audience. I mean, like
Yep.
There are a few like steady followers now. I mean, like Mr. Lim, Nello Media, Roy Chi Peng, Red Ball Bolting, and some more who Ko Mi Tech, Saiful Ko. I think thanks for all the support. If I miss anyone, so I'm sorry, but these are the like Chris also following us. Yeah. So
Yeah, Chris.
thanks a lot. I mean, like you guys are like steady viewers. You know, like every Thursday during the NPI, you guys are here. I mean, like being with us for the 1 hour. So
Yeah,
it's really
very nice. Very nice nickname, Chris.
right then, Hairi.
I think Harry is trying to log in. Maybe he's restarting his laptop. I'm not sure. If he's doing that, then it'll take some time. Is he back? Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
I think he's. So sorry guys for the technical issue. Thanks for the patience, everyone. Oh, not yet. I think he's trying to do something. Although we are in the same office, but different room. Else there'll be echo.
Oh yeah, I mean sitting beside there'll be echo. Yeah.
Yep. Meanwhile, waiting. Any question? Technical question? About product.
Any feedbacks on the NPI? Then I think Harry already here. Let's see.
Oh, Harry already here. Okay. He's back. You need to sing a song. I'm back.
But still lagging.
No, it's okay. Just move on.
Is it MakerPi 3D printer discontinue? This question from a viewer.
MakerPi. Let me check. We have too many products. MakerPi. Okay, Harry, can you go ahead with the spinning?
Huh? Oh,
The last
Anishida is not here.
I know actually already respond.
Respond already. So we
her
need
husband
another one.
responded.
Yeah.
We choose another one, yeah.
We have two winner, not one.
Two.
Two.
Okay, wait.
And also one more question. Quick poll. Arduino Mini or ESP?
Yeah, looking at the product page, I think the MakerPi M1. Because the Pi confused everyone. It's like Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi.
So I need to make sure. So this is the 3D printer. Yeah, I think we discontinue it. Then what? Quick poll. Arduino Mini or ESP? Arduino Mini. Is there Arduino Mini?
Mini. Oh, there's
Which one is that?
Arduino Pro Mini, the smallest one. The Arduino Nano.
Arduino Nano, I know. Arduino Mini.
Arduino Mini, the
Oh,
one
there
like,
is
the square, the like a bit like square shape one. But the one is quite old, right? I mean, it's during the Arduino Nano time. But I don't think so. But for what purpose? Home Tech, if you can like just say for what?
Oh,
we have the Pro Mini lah.
Still
Pro
lagging,
Mini.
Still lagging. I still see logging.
Still
Okay.
lagging,
Okay, we can see.
Let's finish this.
Yeah, spin it lah. At least we can see the result, and we can contact them, let them know lah. moving already, right? Moving already, right? For general project.
Yeah.
Either the Pro Mini or the...
So we have the winner already. Yeah, we know it's no move because it's lagging. So we just want to get the names.
The names, yeah.
Harry, do you get it?
Oh, the Hairil text me. The name is this one. I don't know why they...
What name?
I hope I'm saying it correct. Cina pakai sarung. I mean, they put it the name in such a way.
Yeah, nickname.
Nickname. Is it? Are you here from the IG? So we give 15 seconds or 15 seconds. So if no, then we
Cina
will...
pakai sarung. Okay. IG from IG account. Yeah, the name. We don't confirm the name. So please forgive us. It's not from our name.
Yeah, it's not from our name. Yeah. I think spin again. Oh, they're doing the countdown. Sheepang doing the countdown. Are you here from IG? I think no response. So maybe we can go for another spin.
Yeah. Okay. At least I can hear
the sound.
The sound.
Oh, it's Jackie Chan. I mean, from the wheel, the name is Jackie Chan. Okay. Yeah. Are you here, Jackie Chan? Yeah, it's you, Jackie Chan from FB. It's right. So yeah, congrats. We are lucky. I think last 2 weeks or the previous two NPI or the last NPI. I think Jackie Chan was lucky to won the giveaway, and I think you're still lucky you have to win this week's NPI as well. Right. So thank you everyone, and make sure for Saifulko and Jackie Chan contact our Genie and to provide us with the details. And sorry again, everyone, for the technical issue. So we hope in upcoming NPI this won't happen again.
Yeah, I'll check with TM again.
Right. So congrats Homitech and congrats to everyone.
This name also very weird. Red ball
Ball.
things.
Oh, like very weird names.
No, creative. This is creative.
Yeah, creative. Yeah, not that's the correct word. Not weird. Creative names.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Yeah, finished. Okay, that's all for the NPI for this week. So we shall meet you again in 2 weeks' time, on the 22nd of December. I think that's nearly before we go for the big weekend. So we're gonna have a holiday for the Christmas, I think, and then holiday for New Year and everything. So, right, that's all from us. We shall meet again in 2 weeks' time, and see you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Sorry, guys.